Hello, in this video we're going to talk about art and architecture of the early Renaissance. So what happens in the early Renaissance is that people are interested in the notion brought to them by an old philosopher from the early Greek times, Protagoras, who says that man is the measure of all things. So these people are interested in discovering just what is their measure, what is it in their world that they can know through their own measure of things. And we have a time when Brunelleschi, the architect, gives us one-point perspective, which gives us the illusion of depth in space. And so we have several artists that move us from the old to the new, from the flat to the rounded, from the time of the Gothic to the time of the early Renaissance. Fabriano moves into Masaccio. These are two artists, one the old, the other the new. Also, Cimabue, the old, and Giotto, the new. Space becomes the subject in a lot of these paintings. There's art as well as architecture in this times, and so Donatello, an early sculpture, moves into the time of Michelangelo, later sculpture. Michelangelo, Da Vinci, Raphael, and Botticelli become big names in the later Renaissance in terms of the paintings that they create.